Trajectories programme has been fantastic. I've really relished the opportunity to meet and collaborate with incredible young artists in the Scottish theatre scene.
I think there are so many valuable parts of this programme, and I don't know anything else that's quite like it in Scotland right now.
The Trajectories process has been nothing short of amazing. It's so rare to get this opportunity to have 6 weeks of proper development.
Oh, it's been like incredible. It really has been amazing, and all the sessions we've had with kind of guest artists coming in.
Online workshops where we just told the more kind of professional practice side of things.
I love that you move around the building and feel like you're on your own journey. I think through those journeys of all those stories, it works really well.
It really feels like you're going into like each person's little world, which is quite nice.
Little portals.
Yeah.
It feels a lot more personable.
It's been like a real intense journey, but very held and supported.
Fine-tuning the writing and like giving the acting and the performance that little bit of like flair and flourish as well. It's been so great.
You're only a 40-minute journey away.
What SYT has done has kind of provided this brilliant, supportive framework around them.
And I'm just so impressed, like with this small set, you know, it's just so impressive how things done just by the actors.
I've got a better grasp at like what I'm kind of wanting to do with my work, like moving forward after Trajectories finishes.
The Trajectories programme has really supported whichever type of artist they are trying to be. I think that's a really exciting and vital place to be.